Hey guys, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. And today I have a special guest on our new series, Make It on Monday with Mallory. You want to introduce yourself?
Hi guys, I'm Kieran. I'm the Vinyl Decorating Specialist and I get to work with Mallory on all these fun crafts that we've been working on.
Just work with me every day. It's awesome. All right, so this new series, we are testing out some new products and just existing products and kind of showing you, get your creative juices flowing on different things that you can do with products that we have at GSG. So today, you want to tell us a little bit about this project?
So I live in a house full of boys and I can tell you there's never enough glitter in my house. So for this Valentine's Day, the boys are going to have to get used to having some glitter on our couch. We're going to be doing a love pillow using the Stahls Heat Transfer Glitter.
All right, and if you are like Karen and I, whenever Christmas is done, I feel like our house is just empty.
Yes.
I'm like, I'm a horrible decorator, I gotta add something. So I am following the way she likes to weed, and you wanna tell them why you like to do it this way?
So if you weed out the cavities first, you absolutely get more space to make sure that you're getting all of the smaller sizes of cavities out, and then you can weed around. So it just saves you from having to find the little tiny cavity and struggle with trying to get it out. It's just easier.
I don't always do it that way. I kind of like to go from the beginning just so I can see everything and then go look for cavities. But, you know, that's what I think I love about this series and kind of some of the videos we've done is it's nice to be able to see what works for you, what doesn't. And then even though we've both been doing this for a long time, it's really nice to, like, you know, learn something new and, oh, I never thought about doing it that way. So, all right, as you can obviously tell, this is super easy to weed. Very loud as well. And
you want to make sure with your glitters that you are increasing your pressure on your blade to make sure it cuts all the way through so it weeds really easy.
all right, so it's weeded, ready to go. She cut it in mirror image. If you are new to this, you definitely want to make sure you do that. For resellers, I think I love this idea. It's a great way to decorate your store, but also show them, you know, buying a pillowcase and adding this to it, you pay a lot more for it. So this is such a cute way to show your customers what they can do.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert a heat transfer pillow into this sham. If you'll notice there's a zipper. So if I was to press this without the pillow, you would have the imprint of the zipper on the front side and you don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to insert a heat transfer pillow.
I have made the mistake of not doing that and also melting the zipper.
Oh, that's good too.
Yeah, You're welcome. It made me a little sad that day actually.
It's also a great way to kind of help you figure out where center is with this. Our heat press already has a Teflon cover on it, but I'm going to go ahead and add an extra Teflon sheet just to protect my fabric a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and press this down. And so, here we go. And now this gives you some fun decorations for Valentine's Day on a very inexpensive pillow sham. It looks very expensive. You did it yourself.
Awesome, I love it. And your house is not so bare anymore.
That's right.
And glitter everywhere. Everyone loves bling. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I absolutely loved it. I love this project. Can't wait to make my own for all the holidays upcoming. All right, so guys, tag us in all your Valentine's projects. We want to see them, especially when there's glitter involved. It makes us both very happy. Also, be sure and check out the other videos for Make It on Monday with Mallory. We've done some cool stuff already. We have some cool things coming up in the next week or two. I'm excited to get started next Monday. If you have any suggestions, if there's a product you'd like to see, or if there's a piece of equipment that you are interested in seeing how it works, anything like that, comment below. I look forward to hearing that and incorporating those in Make It on Monday with Mallory. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to see more of my vinyl decorating tips and projects. I would love to see what you're working on, so make sure and tag me. See you next time.